If you want to make Word feel a lot more interactive and save time while formatting, then enabling Live Preview is a great feature to turn on. Live Preview lets you hover over fonts, colors, styles, and other formatting options so you can see how they will look before you actually apply them. That means fewer mistakes, faster editing, and a much smoother workflow. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable Live Preview in Word in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Word tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look toward the top left corner of the window and click on File. This opens the main menu where you can access Word settings and preferences. From the File menu, scroll down and click Options. This will open the Word Options window, which is where you can control many of the program's interface and editing features. Now, in the Word Options window, make sure you are on the General tab. If it is not already selected, click General from the list on the left side. This section contains the basic user interface settings for Word. Once you are in General, look for the section labeled User Interface Options. Here, you should see a checkbox for Enable Live Preview. All you need to do is check that box. When this feature is turned on, Word will show you a live preview of formatting changes as you move your mouse over different options. This makes it much easier to choose the right font, color, or style without having to undo changes later. After checking the box, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. That's it. Live Preview is now enabled in Word. To test it, highlight some text in your document and hover over different formatting choices in the ribbon. You should now see the changes previewed instantly before selecting them. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how quickly and confidently you edit documents. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more easy Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.